In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create BMO Harris Bank account. We'll walk through the entire online application from finding the right page to submitting your details so you can feel confident as you go. Start by opening your web browser and searching for BMO Harris Bank. From the official site, navigate to the online banking section. On that page, look for the area labeled Checking and Savings, and then select Bank Accounts. This is where you'll see BMO's checking options and can compare what fits you best. You'll notice choices like BMO Smart Advantage Checking, BMO Smart Money Checking, and BMO Relationship Checking. Take a moment to skim the highlights shown on the page, such as monthly, fee, requirements, or perks, and pick the account that matches your banking habits. When you're ready, click Open Now. Next, you may be asked if you want to bundle a savings builder account with your checking. Choose yes if you want to add savings now, or no if you prefer to open just the checking account. Then click Continue. You'll arrive at the application form. Enter your contact information carefully, making sure it matches your legal documents. Provide your full name, a current email address you check often, and a reliable phone number. Add your residential address, including any apartment or unit number, plus your city, state, and zip code. Choose your date of birth and enter your SSN or ITN. Financial institutions request this information to verify your identity and comply with federal regulations. Always apply on a secure network and never share these details outside of the official form. Select your citizenship status and your employment status from the available options. You'll also see a section to pick your debit card style. If you don't want a debit card, check the box indicating that preference. There may also be an option to request a small set of complimentary checks. Check the box if you want them. Decide whether you're opening an individual account or a joint account. If joint, the other applicant will typically need to provide their information as well. Review the terms and conditions and check the box to confirm you agree. If you have a promo code, select the promo option and enter it exactly as provided. If not, you can move on. When everything looks accurate, click Submit Application. After submission, watch your email for confirmation and any requests for additional verification. That's it. You've completed the online application for a BMO Harris checking account.